Hello, class ninth. Today we will discuss the immediate objectives of Indian National Congress. Objective of the topic: Nationalist Party workers, national unity, popular demand before the government, organized public opinion. Before discussing the topic, we must know the important terms. Consolidate, make something physically stronger or more solid. Session, a meeting of an official body to conduct its planning. Religious belief, attitude towards mythological or supernatural aspect. Chalk out, to make plan or concept. Public opinion, it consists of the desires, wants, and thinking of the majority of the people. Now, children, today we will discuss what are the main objectives of Indian National Congress. Before that, we must know this. In 1884, A.O. Hume formed the Indian National Union. In December 1885, in Pune, the meeting was scheduled. But because of the plague, which was a contagious disease, broke out in Pune, and meeting was rescheduled in Mumbai. And meeting held from December 28 to 31st in 1885 under the leadership of W.C. Banerjee. 72 delegates participated in it. Dadabhai Naroji gave the suggestion to change the name from Indian National Union to Indian National Congress. Moreover, Viceroy Dufferin also favored the Indian National Congress because he wanted to act as a safety wall to safeguard the British rule and its interest in India. Now we will discuss what are the main objectives of Indian National Congress. Main objective of Indian National Congress were as follows. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held at Bombay in December 1885 under the presidency of W.C. Banerjee. In its presidential address, he declared the following as the main objective of Indian National Congress. You see, Indian National Congress, first session of Indian National Congress held in 1885, and W.C. Banerjee was its first president. And moreover, the last session of the Indian National Congress was held in 1946. And in last session, the president was J.B. Kriplani. And from 1885 to 1946, there were the total 54 sessions held. And what they have given the different objectives. These objectives are as follows. The promote friendly relation between nationalist political workers from different parts of the country. Means they want to unite the political workers and nationalists. As we have discussed, nationalists, those who want freedom through the constitutional methods. To develop and consolidate the feeling of national unity, irrespective of the religious belief, color, and creed. Means they did not want to create any sort of the discrimination on the basis of color, belief, and creed. Number 3, to formulate popular demands and place them before the government, to train and organize the public opinion of the country. The Congress held its session every year in the one town to another town to chalk out the different plans and programs to activate the organization and to achieve its aims. The second session of the Congress was held in 1886 at Kolkata under the presidency of Dadabhai Naroji. Changes were made in the above mentioned aims of the Congress from time to time according to the changed circumstances. Indian National Congress was ready to change their plans as per the circumstances were changing. These were the main immediate objectives of the Indian National Congress. Now, children, along with this, our lesson is over and we have to learn the short questions, what we have done side by side and in the worksheets also. Second, the structured questions we have to do, and you will have to learn the terms, the short questions and the long questions. Thank you.